Lufaa was formally launched with the presence of some then Polo OWA area representatives. In 2023, Lufaa was officially registered in Philippine Embassy Saudi Arabia list of film organizations. Lufaa has a very clear advocacy, which is to give recognition to Filipino artists and athletes through the Lufaa International Awards, which is the event we are holding right now. Lufaa has a clear vision, which is to be the premier organization that will look after the welfare of the Filipino artists and athletes in Eastern region of KSA. Who knows? One day, we can never tell, this vision may come to reality. Having this second season of the Lufaa International Awards, tonight is a celebration of arts and athletics. Tonight is the night of our Filipino artists and athletes in the Eastern region of Saudi Arabia. Shall we give the nominees, and even not nominees, all of you who consider yourselves artists and athletes in your own right, a warm round of applause. Sino dyan ang sa feeling nyo, artist kayo, palakpakan nyo sarili nyo! And I want to give our heartfelt thanks again to our sponsors and event partners. Without you, this event will never be realized. Shall we give them a warm round of applause again and ating mga sponsors again? Lastly, last na po ito. To all the members of Lufaa who stayed through thick and thin. So many trials, but we remain victorious for embracing our motto. Quality, not quantity. Ayan po ang motto ng Lufaa. We are more on quality. Even, konti lang po kami. Basta quality ang ibibigay namin para sa inyo. Without you, this dream will stay as a dream. To everyone, all of you, thank you for coming. Thank you for gracing this celebration. Please enjoy our show. Good evening. Ito po, siyempre, ang ating very special guest for tonight. He graduated with a Bachelor of Laws degree, Juris Doctor, from Mindanao State University, Marawi City, Philippines. Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Southwestern University. Master in Public Administration, Bukidnon State College, Iligan City Extension. At the age of 25, former NCMF Commissioner Sulaiman Simutia was elected Senior Provincial Board Member of the Province of Lanao and Norte and rendered his service continuously for 9 years, from 1992 to 2001, and was eventually elected National Executive Vice President of the National Movement of Young Legislators, NMYL, in 1998 to 2001, a national organization of young political leaders in the Philippines. On July 1, 2001, Mr. Mutia assumed his new appointment as Assistant Secretary, Deputy Executive Director of the abolished Office on Muslim Affairs, OMA, Office of the President, until he was appointed on March 8, 2010 as Commissioner of the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos, NCMF, for 4-year term until March 7, 2014. He was also designated by the President of the Philippines as Hajj Attaché, Consul for Pilgrimage in the Philippine Consulate General, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia from August 2007 until his return to the main office of NCMF in March 2010. He was Lasureco's Assistant General Manager from November 1, 2014 to March 15. Konti na lang po. March 15, 2017, and was designated by NEA Administrator as Acting General Manager from September 21, 2015 up to December 8, 2016. Recently, Mr. Putya was promoted as Labor Attaché to Department of Migrant Workers, DMW, and is currently deployed in the Migrant Workers Office, MWO, Philippine Consulate currently Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But now, he is no longer with Jeddah, and he is now our Labor Attaché here in the Eastern region. Let's welcome dear friend, Honorable Sulaiman Mutia.